Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am sorry guys, yesterday I did not record budget day number 4. Before I get started, this video is in collaboration with Jamini Style. Please go and check her out. She is hilarious guys. She is funny. I really enjoy speaking with her. She brightens my day every time we speak. But this video is in collaboration with Jamini Style. I didn't get a chance to film my budget meal day 4, but I will put my meal on the screen somewhere. I was suffering with a headache and I just could not get in front of the camera yesterday. So for today's, Lord, I cannot even talk. Hey Annie. So for today's video though, yes ma'am. Let me see that because mommy don't need any copyright strikes, okay? None at all. So for today's budget meal, I'm doing some hamburger helper. There's the ground beef. And I'm also doing, okay. And I'm also doing some green beans with it. The ground beef is about $3. I paid $2.50 for the hamburger helper, and the beans are 50 cents per can. And I think I'm going to make my own garlic bread, and the bread that we use, y'all, I want to show y'all my pantry. It is a mess, so let me turn y'all around. The pantry is bad, y'all. Okay, so we use the, y'all seen a little bit of it. The bread that we use is the Sara Lee butter bread, and I think that bread was like $2 and something, I'm not sure. So nowhere near the $10. This challenge was started by B Love, and I'm so grateful that she started the challenge because it really shows what you can eat or what you can feed your family on a budget of $10 or less. So guys, yes, I was very happy to take this challenge because I thought maybe everything would cost a little bit more. I'm like, you know, I cannot eat anything on $10, but yes, I can. Guys, as you can see, the kitchen is a mess. I'm getting ready to wash these dishes. I don't know if I'm going to record it or not, but I might. I'm not sure. If I don't, I will see you guys in my next video. If you are new to my channel, I probably will record that. I've had a lot of my subscribers say that it's very satisfying to see me washing the dishes. Glad that I can help because I like watching it as well. So I may film it. I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to film me cooking. My sister is texting me. Okay. I don't know if I'll get a chance to film me cooking. I am having some company today and they do not want to be on camera. They're a little bit camera shy, so I may try to skip around her. I don't know. But yes guys, I missed you all. This is budget challenge day number 4. I almost forgot. This is budget challenge day number 4. I've been seeing that a lot of people have been doing it for one day. Some has done it for 3 days. Some has been doing it for 5 days and a week. I'm just only going to do it for 5 days. So today is the last day of the challenge for me, and I have really appreciated it. So yes guys, stay tuned. I'm going to wash these dishes and I might be back. I might not. Really, no. I know I'm all over the place today guys. I'm not. I'm going to film me washing the dishes, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish what I was doing before I started filming. I'm looking up some what do you call it, organization ideas. If anybody have any ideas for me for my daughter's room, please link it down below. I've been all on YouTube, all on everywhere trying to find some organization ideas, primarily for her toys. because her room, it's not looking a hot mess, but I can do better. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I love you. I don't know why this thing is on my shirt. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey boo, hey guys. I see a few people have joined my channel. I love you already. The comments are just awesome, guys. Thank you. Keep the comments coming. I love to see that. I love the interaction with me and my subscribers. If you are not subscribed to me, go ahead and consider subscribing. You won't, trust me, you'll be glad that you did. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to go. Sorry this video was all over the place. I am super busy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye Hey guys, and I am back. Just want to do a close out to my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my little mini clean. I don't have a very big kitchen, so it didn't take long. Well, it really don't take long to clean my kitchen unless I'm doing like a big deep clean, and that's where I like get all in the cabinets and stuff like that. But I am officially getting ready to close out my vlog. I love you all. If you're new to my channel, hello. I know I've already said that. If you are looking for a new friend, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn that bell gray, and we can, excuse me. Go ahead and hit that red notification bell. No, go ahead and hit that red notification symbol, the subscribe button. Hit it and turn the bell gray, and we'll be all connected. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. And of course, the baby girl wants to say bye. What are you eating, Annie?
Cereal bar.
She is eating her favorite cereal bars. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to go. Love you. Peace.